everyone, welcome to this update video this morning. I hope you're doing good. So we're going to be looking at what's happening across the tropics this morning. So we can see on the satellite imagery here that there is some activity well offshore the Caribbean in the main development region that's associated with two tropical waves, and there's a third in the Caribbean, which is currently sustaining some showers and thunderstorms. Pretty disorganized system though, and it is the same disturbance marked with the potential of development. And there's still Debby, which is bringing its impacts to portions of the southeastern United States. So we're going to be looking at the rainfall forecast for today, and we'll also be talking about the latest forecast from the Climate Prediction Center. Now, going into the Caribbean more, we can see all of this rain and thunderstorm activity, as I said, associated with a tropical wave moving through. Much of this lies south of Jamaica. So with this disturbance, the bulk of rain is to the south of the island. So there may not be much impacts in Jamaica due to its passage. And as we're going to be heading throughout today, this is a look at the rainfall forecast from Euro. So across parts of the Bahamas and Turks and Caicos, there could be some showers and thunderstorms. As we head to the Greater Antilles, may not be as much rain, but there could definitely be some action in the afternoon for some areas. Parts of Cuba, the Cayman Islands, Jamaica, Hispaniola, maybe a few spots in Puerto Rico, not so much the Virgin Islands. And then as we head to the Lesser Antilles, it's going to be a similar story. ABC Islands, similar story as well. Much of that rain has already moved by, associated with the tropical wave. Northern South America may be pretty active, especially parts of northern Colombia, Venezuela, and a few spots in the Guyanas. And then as we head to the vicinity of the southwestern Caribbean, though, we're seeing a lot more color over here. So probably rainfall amounts exceeding 2 inches or so in a few spots. So San Andres, Providencia, Panama, Costa Rica, parts of Nicaragua is likely to be pretty active today with that tropical wave in the area. Further north, Honduras, El Salvador, Belize, parts of Guatemala, Mexico, a few showers are possible, but may not be widespread. As it pertains to Debby, we've got Tropical Storm Debby offshore with maximum sustained winds up to 45 miles per hour, and it is moving to the east at just 5 miles per hour, so it's not a fast mover right now. And that tropical storm warning is still in effect for coastal South Carolina and parts of North Carolina as well. So it's going to make its second landfall as we head into tomorrow, and then as it moves in, it will quickly weaken and make its way out to the northeast. So it's going to pick up in its acceleration, but it is a significant rainmaker right now for the area. It has been dumping lots of rain, and it's going to continue to do so. Now, as I had mentioned, we're going to be talking about what the Climate Prediction Center is forecasting. So this is a look at the Global Tropics Hazards Outlook map, and we're looking at it in terms of tropical cyclone formation probability specifically. So we're seeing two maps here. The first one is for the week of August 14th to the 20th. The second is for the week of the 21st to the 27th. So pretty much throughout the rest of August, we can see that the Atlantic is highlighted with that chance of development within the vicinity of the Gulf, and also the Caribbean Islands, Bahamas for the week of the 14th to the 20th, and then up to the 27th, we see much of the North Caribbean, Bahamas, and even the Gulf highlighted as well. So with those current tropical waves out there, we are definitely going to be having to keep our eyes on them, because conditions will be getting a lot more favorable. There are so many factors out there influencing development, and we'll be heading to a favorable phase of those various factors as we head into late August, into September, the peak month, and even into October as well. And so guys, that's basically what I wanted to share with you in this update video, and we'll be taking a much deeper dive into the different factors out there in future updates. So stay tuned for that, and I hope that you found this update to be informative. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll get to you when I have the chance to do so, and remember to always be weatherwise.